10 days of easy Asian recipe. Let's make lemongrass garlic air fryer chicken wing. In a mixing bowl, add 2 pounds of chicken wings, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1/4 of a teaspoon of monosodium glutamate, a little bit of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of minced lemongrass, and drizzle a little bit of oil. Now let's give it a mix.
Once marinated, cover the mixing bowl with plastic wrap. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, go ahead and remove the chicken from the refrigerator. Using tongs, add chicken into the air fryer. To ensure that the chicken becomes crispy, do not overcrowd the air fryer. Depending on how big your air fryer is, you're gonna have to cook this in 2 or 3 batches at 375 at 15 minutes. Once it's done, remove immediately to stop the cooking process onto a bowl or a plate. Look how beautiful that color is, and it's gonna be super crispy. You guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
Right now, I am the talk of the town. When I pull up, pull it out. Show me what you want.
I can't believe this is in the air fryer. It's so crispy, guys. Thank you.
Tell me what I got to do. 급한데도 Bluetooth 켜.